Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today I'm going to show you how to put your car into valet mode and some of the things that it will do. So basically what you're going to do is come in here and you're going to click on settings, and then you're going to just search down here. It's actually on the first screen, valet mode, and when you click on it, it's going to ask you to enter a password. Okay, so we're going to keep this really simple. 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you're going to press enter. And then it's going to say re-enter the code, and then press lock. So 1, 2, 3, 4, lock. Okay, it says valet mode, enter code to unlock. Okay, and then if you forgot the code, that's going to send you emails and do that kind of stuff, I'm assuming. So, okay, so we're in valet mode. We're going to, you'll notice home button, radio, nothing works right now. This is what will show. And so if anything, it's going to keep them from listening to the radio. No. One of the main things though is you'll see this button does not work, which would raise up this screen for that hidden compartment. Okay, so now audio is off, everything like that. We're going to turn the car off, exit the vehicle. So now basically you give your key to the valet, he gets in it, and the honking's just because I have the remote on me. But we're going to go ahead and start it up. Okay, so you'll notice it just says audio off. None of these other features are working, menus. So basically the car will just drive. We're going to take it for a quick ride here. Some people have said, oh, I wish valet mode would limit the speed of the car. It doesn't do anything like that. So just to show you here, we'll take it for a quick little drive. So as you can see, the car's driving normally. You can go whatever speed the car would normally go. The only real difference is everything is locked for the radio. Let's see, cruise control works, so that still works. Just the main difference is they're basically not letting you get into anything electronic in the car. So no radio. The main thing is that box that would it's not letting you into that secret compartment. That's the main thing. And by that I'm talking about this, when you push this and this slides open. That's what's locked in valet mode, which is probably the most important. So if you have something in there, they can't get into it. But yeah, you'll notice like all the settings for like fuel economy and all that, none of that works anymore. This might even be a good thing if for your kids, if you don't want them, blasting music, and if you want them to pay attention, then you could probably put this setting on. You'd have a password and they just couldn't listen to the radio, anything like that. So anyway, just want to show you that valet mode, what it does and what it doesn't do. So to unlock it, you just put in the code, and you could even do this while driving. So now I'm curious if the garage door will activate. Let's go ahead and push the button up here. So that still works. So they can still break into your house if they took your car. So anyway, simply put, that's what valet mode does. No radio, all this is still gonna work. Air conditioning, everything, but you're gonna lose the controls for looking at your fuel economy, your oil life, anything like that. The cruise control still worked. So basically anything for functioning with the car works. garage door opener worked, but nothing on the infotainment's gonna work. And so again, that might be good if you're gonna use it for your kids, if you want them to drive concentrating on the road with no distractions or anything like that. So anyway, thanks for watching, and check the video description. I'll put a playlist with all my other Yukon videos. I have quite a few of them now. And subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks, guys.